Good morning. I detailed before the board RCO here, which is a relay board. We have two of them here. And this is a simple Arduino made by Olimex. It's the same as Arduino, except for just a few variations. And we have this relay board, 4 relays here, connected with this serial port, which provides power supply as well as a serial bus through from this board to this board back to this Arduino, which will control both of the relays. I explained that we can select between 8 addresses with this dip switch. So if we put, for example, the same address, then the boards will act as if they were the same board. Now I have relay address 0 and address 1 here. When I put power on, there is a demo program that will open and close coils for all these relays and all these relays back here. So I will now demonstrate how this works. It's very simple. This is how this works. So easily, as soon as we apply power, the demo program is starting. You see here demo program. The code is available on GitHub for this board. The slight variation will work on Arduino, or even exactly the same, but we just need to maybe disable the LCD if we don't have one. And I will make demo programs a little bit more advanced, but that's basically just a function called to open close the relay. You can just use it straight away. We have 2 boards. We select the demo program configuration with this yellow wire. So now if I just use this open, it will run for only one board. So basically the configuration of the demo program is set by 2 pins here. So that we can test for 1, 2, 4 or 8 boards, depending how the configuration is done. If we put for 8, then the command will propagate through all 8 boards. If we upload all of them, we put the correct address, we should see all of them respond. I will put back for 2 boards. That's all. So these boards are now available, and you can try them out.